Gaano ba talaga kahalaga sa atin ang banal na Eucharistia? Do we really see its importance? And can we also say that that is where we get nourishment, where we get our strength? Yung mga unang Kristiyano, nung sila ay hinuli, kasi sila ay nagdiriwang ng misa, ang tanong kasi sa kanila is, kung kayo ay papatayin at pinapahirapan because of celebrating the Mass, why are you doing this? Ang sagot ng mga unang Kristiyano was this: without Sunday, we cannot live. Without Sunday, we cannot live. Kasi yung Sunday is the day of the Lord. The Sunday is the day where they celebrate the Holy Eucharist. Parang sinasabi nila, pag tinanggal mo ang Eucharistia, kapag tinanggal mo yung misa, wala kaming buhay.